Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naraya Nicole back to you with another video. I'm really just like reviewing the wig that's on my head. It did come from the Janet collection. No, it's not sponsored or anything like that. I just thought it would be, you know, a good idea to do a wig review. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Until next time, see you later. Hey y'all, oh my god, it's been such a minute since I filmed this way. I've been posting nothing but vlogs, so if you ever checked it out already. But what's good, it's me, it's Naraya Nicole. I am getting ready to put this wig on. I just got done doing my makeup, and my camera as always is dying, so I didn't open it. I just wanted to do like kind of like a quick review, throw on unboxing of this wig. So I got it at my local hair store. It was $60. It is the Janet Collections Melt Line transparent natural hairline with 13.6 frontal part. This is what it looks like. Alright, so I did get the this is in the style Asia. I did get a 1. That's kind of the only color they had. Everything looked really nice, so I was like, yeah, let me get it. So so far this is how it looks as I open the box. All right, so it is a bob. Let's see. I don't know why they staple and like glue shit together like that. Like, I just don't understand. All right, so this is the unit. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, it feels really nice. So this is the unit. This is the unit. It definitely gives me it looks very shiny, like, you know, very synthetic-y vibes. Like, I can tell it's a synthetic, although it's nice. It feels very, very nice. The lace looks really nice. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it does look very, very nice, but it is very shiny. So this is what the inside of it looks like. I see, but this is the inside of the lace. How the fuck y'all be holding this shit up? Okay, this is the inside of it. It does come with a band on the back, so I really love that, which means like I'm not even gonna glue it down. Like, I'm assuming you can just wear this glueless. So I'm going to just slap the cap on my head. I was actually gonna do like the whole like ball cap method and all that shit, but girl, I'm not doing that. I don't know what brand wig cap you use, but this is like one of the best brand wig caps out there. It's from, I don't know, Annie Inc. Miss Remy. Miss Remy is the brand. I looked it up at the top. They're just so like snug to your head. Like, I don't know if you ever had like a cap that was like way too big or way too tight, but like no matter what size your head is, it is gonna fit. Okay, so here is the, and I'm gonna pull this shit down. Okay, so here is the wig on my head. Oh girl, I like this. Oh, I really like this, y'all. Oh my god. So far this hair is so fucking cute. I don't know why, I just love it. And then it's like, it's short. It's definitely more for the grown and the set. Hey y'all, I'm back. My camera ended up dying, like I said. So now I'm getting ready to take it off and tint the lace. Show y'all what I'm doing. Hey y'all, I suck at this. Okay, so I tinted the lace a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start cutting on the lace because I now have to go. It's still light, like you can still see the wig cap. And not pull your hair back when you cut your lace off. Like, listen here, like, just don't do that, okay? Because I clearly just messed it up. But overall, it looks really nice, especially in the front. So I'm gonna style this wig, get everything like together, change my outfit, put on some clothes, and then kind of just check in with you guys when everything's on point. But so far, I really do love this unit. Absolutely would recommend. So dope. I absolutely love it. Alright, hey you guys, so I'm back, and this is how everything came together. Believe it or not, it's actually the very next day that I'm filming this video, because I tried filming it yesterday and it looked really bad. So I had to refilm the ending portion of this YouTube video. So it's the next day, but this is what I came up with. I did my best to tint the lace as much as I can. It might be a little light, so you know, it is hard to tint this lace. Overall, I do get this wig maybe like a good 9 out of 10. I think this is so cute, so adorable. It's so like, I don't know, it's just so sexy. It's definitely sexy and sultry. So overall, I really like this wig. All the details will be down below if you are interested. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoy it. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And until next time, see you later.